Hello, on Friday the 3rd of March, new Bitcoin update. Quick recap of yesterday. I did my update around here. At that point I said not seeing really a good structure, but I was looking for this kind of bounce, corrective bounce, to correct this move. But yeah, it seems this liquidity grab was already enough. Yesterday evening we saw a bit of a bounce, but then I have no idea what happened, but then a very strong move down. And that brings me to the daily chart, where I'm now thinking that we are in that yellow move already, where I kept the possibility open for a while that till here more or less that we should see that move. But yesterday I also said I don't think that we get back above here, and most likely already in this move. You can see that I do have a move towards 20k or even a bit lower to take out the CME gap. Yeah, longer run, that is what I expect. For the shorter term, we might see a bounce here, something like this. All longs got wiped out, so it makes sense to look for liquidity from higher before we see another move lower. But on the lower time frame, I'm not sure if this move down, this leg down, is already finished before we get that bounce. I do see here 1, 2, 3, and that is usually leading to one more down, and then maybe some bounce for liquidity, and that move down would also punish those who are already long, thinking that the bounce is from these levels. I don't think so. So I think maybe even in the coming days, slow weekend, that we do get a nasty wick down, then some bounce, and then I would say more downside after that. And that is also what I see in my Elliott wave chart. A green box a bit lower, and don't know if we get already, yeah, it's not that far actually, 21.5 more or less, then some bounce, and then maybe that move towards 20k, 19k, something like that. Not best news for the weekend, but in the bigger picture it is normal behavior, I think, if we remain bullish. A while ago I said as long as we stay above 22, we have a chance that we already started a move to 30k. I have to come back to that. Well, it is still possible, technically possible, but to me, especially when I look at the altcoins and at the dollar, I do think we are in that move down. Quick look at the dollar. Does it make sense? Yeah, just to show off what I think. I do think we have a bit more upside in the dollar to do before we could see Bitcoin going higher again. So this ABC is not finished yet. We should see here a bit more push, and this push up is Bitcoin going down, and then possibly after that the dollar coming down, Bitcoin rising again. That's it for now, guys. Thanks for being here this week. Wish you all a very nice weekend. Hope to see you next week.